In her last days, Swami Saradananda asked Mother Sarada, "Master preached us several things. Similarly, even you preach me something." Mother Sarada replied with the first word as tolerance, the middle word as tolerance, and the final word as tolerance. Therefore, she said, "This is my preaching: tolerance, tolerance, tolerance." It was not her preaching, but it was her grace. Through those words, she bestowed Swami Saradananda with the fruit of her penance and her tolerance. Due to this tolerance, Swami Saradananda could fulfill the responsibility of General Secretary to Sri Ramakrishna Mutt for 20 years without losing patience.
जनतापहरं शरणागत सेवक तोष करीं शरणागत सेवक तोष करीं प्रणमामि परां जननीं जगतां गुणहीन सुतान् पराधयुतान् कृपयाद्य समुद्धर मोहगतां तरणीं भवसागर पार करीं तरणीं भवसागर पार करीं प्रणमामि परां जननीं जगतां विषयां कुसुमं परिहृत्य सदा चरणाम्बुरुहामृतशान्तिसुधां पिब भृङ्गमनोभव रोगहरां पिब भृङ्गमनोभव रोगहरां प्रणमामि